Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid. In today's video, we're going to review the Tiptiper folding dining table with 2 storage racks, drop leaf, 6 wheels, multi-function expandable table for kitchen, bedroom, living room. This table is perfect for those who are looking for a space-saving and multifunctional table for their home. Let's get started. The Tiptiper folding dining table is a modern and stylish table that can be used for various purposes. This table has a foldable design that makes it easy to store when not in use. You can use it as a writing desk in half expanding or a small stand in folding placed in a corner. At the bottom of the drop leaves, there are holes for hidden buckle to lock up the active table plates. This table is perfect for those who live in small apartments or have limited space. The table is equipped with 6 sturdy casters, 4 of which are lockable. You can move it anywhere in the home, and the flexible casters on the moving board make it easy to expand and fold the table. The 2-tier storage cabinet under the folding dining table is very convenient for kitchenware, books, or stationery, and so on. It can perfectly hold everyday belongings and cut the clutter in your kitchen or living room. The Tiptiper folding dining table is very easy to assemble and clean. A detailed assembly instruction in the package helps you assemble it in a short time. It is wear-resistant, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. The simple yet fashion style matches your surroundings, furniture, and style seamlessly. Overall, the Tiptiper folding dining table with 2 storage racks, drop leaf, 6 wheels, multi-function expandable table for kitchen, bedroom, living room is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a space-saving and multifunctional table for their home. The table is easy to assemble, easy to clean, and very durable. The 2-tier storage cabinet and lockable wheels make it a practical and versatile addition to any home. You can also check it. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.